Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your Xbox wireless controller to your Android phone. For this tutorial, I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy running Android 14, but this works on other Android phones as well. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Android phone's Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. So for this one, I'll simply go to settings, just go back to the main settings page, connections. That's where I'll find Bluetooth for this particular phone, and I have Bluetooth on and already scanning for devices to pair with. So the next thing I want to do is switch on my controller and put it in Bluetooth pairing mode so that it's able to be discovered by my Android phone. So with a good set of batteries inside, I'll just press that button. Now the controller is on, and to put it in Bluetooth pairing mode, I'll simply need to press this button here. Okay, so this is a button for pairing. So if you long press on that button, you can see that light blinking rapidly, and that means the controller is now in Bluetooth pairing mode. So scan, make sure you scan again on your Android phone, and you can see the Xbox wireless controller has been detected, and all I need to do now is press that, and it's now pairing. As you can see, that's a pairing request. So just tap on pair, and it's going to be paired and connected. And you can see that light stops blinking. It says wireless Xbox wireless controller connected. And that is basically how to connect an Xbox controller to your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.